Hello guys, welcome to IT Security Labs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Zabbix server with Grafana. What you're looking at is my dashboard that I just created from data from my Zabbix server, which is right here. I like Zabbix because you can monitor a lot of things, but I just find that exporting the data to Grafana makes it easy to visualize and you get more control on what you can do. The graphs that you're looking at here are the metrics of my cloud data center 1, which you would find in my VMware. It's a VMware data center that I'm monitoring, and I'm monitoring different metrics. As you can see, I'm monitoring the network traffic, the uptime, number of virtual machines, use memory, disk space. I actually have to adjust these so that they look. So how do we get this data from Zabbix into Grafana? The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you add the Zabbix plugin right here to your Grafana. So if I go to my plugins, it's already there. To add this, you just need to sign into your Grafana machine. So this is my machine with Grafana, as you can see. And in this machine, I just have Grafana running on Docker. So unlike a lot of people, I actually have to do this to get to the bash. So docker exec -it Grafana bin bash. This will create, this will get me into the Grafana CLI. Then from here, what I just need to do is go to the Grafana website where the plugin is, find this plugin. I'll have a link in the description below. And to install, just go to the installation and copy this. Then go back to your Grafana and just paste. Once you do that, go through the installation process. Then it will tell you that you need to restart your Grafana. Go ahead and restart the machine. Once the machine is restarted, go back to your Grafana machine. Then if you go in your Grafana here, and you can go to plugins, and you'll find that Zabbix is now on the list of plugins. Then you can just hit enable. You have to enable it. Once you enable your plugin, you get this Zabbix main dashboard here. So that's the first step. We added the plugin. The next step is we need to go to our data sources. You need to add a new data source. I already have mine, but you hit new data source. Then you can just name it Zabbix and choose Zabbix from here, like right now. And you can refer to the documentation from Zabbix site. But for the URL, you just need to specify this API.json after your full Zabbix URL. So it's HTTP, then your IP /Zabbix, then API_JSON PC. And that's it. Everything else you can leave the same. Check this if you didn't secure yours like me. Then the username should be admin and the password whatever you created or your default Zabbix password. Then you can do a save and test. Once you save and test, you should now be getting all your data from your Zabbix instance into Grafana. So this is very simple and straightforward. After playing with mine for a little bit, I was able to create all these dashboards that you're looking at right now. But I'm going to show you how to create one of them. For example, if you wanted any metrics, you'll be able to see that if you do an add panel. Let's say I want a graph. Then I can just do an edit. Now if I choose my data source as Zabbix, I get the option of all these things like text, IT services, but I want metrics for now. My group, let's say I want virtual machines from my VMware ESX vCenter right here. I have a bunch of virtual machines right here. All these I should be able to see them in Zabbix, in Grafana, if everything is working. So now if I go back to my Grafana, now host, I want to say my domain controller, which is running here. This is a machine, it's a server 2012. I want some metrics from this machine. So just say maybe CPU ready. As you can see, I'm actually getting data. So this is how you create the graphs, and you can play around with this to create the graphs that you like, and you can actually end up with a lot of good looking graphs from just playing with these metrics. So that's how you actually get your data from Zabbix, which doesn't have really good looking graphs, as you can see right here. The graphs can be okay, or you can just send all your data to Grafana and actually end up with something that looks decent, like my graphs right here, where you can see this is network traffic coming to this ESXi host. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the description, in the comments below. Otherwise, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos as I play more with Zabbix and Grafana. Otherwise, I'll see you.